The Liebherr MK 88 series crane featuring a compact and maneuverable design, made for jobs in densely urban areas. This self-propelled construction crane is a 4-axle machine with a maximum lifting capacity of 8 tons. The MK88 mobile crane, often used as a taxi crane, is easily adaptable and is designed for short-term hoisting work. Depending on the configuration, it can lift more than 2 tons within a maximum radius of 45 meters, and the maximum hook height is only 30 meters. Its boom can be tilted up to 45 degrees.